to all our viewers. Today is going to be a great day. We're experiencing a pleasant weather here at Kisama. Our guest of honor today is Justice Sudhanshu Dulai, Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court. Our special guest is Sri K.V. Ramanaturi, Chief General Manager, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Noon Mati, Guwahati.
सुप्रभात। सभी दर्शकों का स्वागत है 22वां हॉर्नबिल उत्सव 2021 के 5वें दिन के सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम में। सुनहरा सा दिन है, सूरज निकल चुका है। दिसंबर की ठंडी में पहाड़ों के बीच खूबसूरत गांव किसमा में ये कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया जा रहा है। मुख्य अतिथि, मेहजबान, लोग और यात्री सब पहुंच चुके हैं और जल्द ही आरंभ होगा ये सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम। आज के सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम में मुख्य अतिथि है जस्टिस सुधांशु धूलिया, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ गुवाहाटी हाई कोर्ट। स्पेशल गेस्ट श्री के.वी. रामामूर्ति, चीफ जनरल मैनेजर ऑपरेशनल इंडियन ऑयल कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड, नूनमती, गुवाहाटी। और आज के मेहजबान है श्री पी. पाइवांग कोंगयाक, मिनिस्टर ट्रांसपोर्ट, सिविल एविएशन एंड रेलवेज, लैंड रिसोर्सेज, श्री निकिसाले निकी खेरे, एडवाइजर अर्बन डेवलपमेंट एंड म्युनिसिपल अफेयर्स।
Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor is accompanied by his lady wife, Vaishali Dulia. Madam, please. We are very honored to have the Justice of Guwahati High Court, Justice Sudhanshu Dhoolia, and he is accompanied by his lady wife, Srimati Vaishali Dulia. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have in our midst the special guest, Sri K.V. Ramana Murthy, the Chief General Manager, Operational, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Noon Mati, Guwahati. At this point of time, we would like to felicitate him. Sir, we are very proud to have you in our midst today. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point of time, I would like to request our guest of honor, Justice Sudhanshu Dhoolia, the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court, to address the crowd.
Well, my esteemed brothers of Guwahati High Court, Mr. Justice Hukato Su and Justice Kahito Sema, the Honorable Advisor, Shri N. Niki Kire, Shri Ramaswamy, Principal Secretary, the Commissioner and Secretary, Mr. Kito Hizomit, Mr. Murthy of Indian Oil, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear young fellows, I am truly honored, I feel most happy, and I have a great sense of pride today being amongst all of you. This is a festival of festivals, the Hornbill Festival. I'm told this is the 22nd edition, but I think we missed one or two because of pandemic and so on. But this festival is growing every year. Yesterday I was here and I was totally charmed by the great diversity, the culture, the rich and the proud and the colorful heritage of Naga men and women. And when I was having a glimpse of so many places, where I saw the cuisines and I saw the handicrafts, and then I realized, you mark my words, this festival is going to be the most watched, most eagerly awaited festival, not only in the country, but I think internationally, if it hasn't become one yet. Maybe it has already. I doubt where you see so many colors. I've been to so many festivals, melas, but so much of music, culture, dance, rhythm, it's unparalleled. Those who have thought about this festival are truly to be congratulated. And more than that, the people who are behind this festival, those who are organizing it with great skill, I think they need a big applause from all of us. I have not come here to give a speech. I have come here to watch all of you. So best of luck to all of you. Jai Hind.